Today, we're tackling the question, does EBT work on DoorDash? This is a query that's gaining more attention, especially in the context of how technology intersects with nutrition assistance programs. Let's dive into this topic and clear up some common misconceptions. At the outset, it's crucial to understand what EBT is. EBT, which stands for Electronic Benefit Transfer, is used by states to issue food stamp benefits and other assistance. Now, when it comes to whether these benefits can be used on DoorDash, the situation requires a nuanced explanation. As of our most recent information, DoorDash itself originally did not accept EBT as a direct form of payment for most of its orders. This is because EBT payments are typically reserved for eligible food items, and DoorDash delivers from a wide range of restaurants that serve prepared food, which generally does not qualify under EBT program guidelines. However, there's an important shift happening. DoorDash has started piloting programs in some areas that do allow SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, recipients to use their EBT cards to purchase groceries through its platform. This marks a significant change, opening up new possibilities for SNAP recipients to access food. It's worth noting that this option is not universally available and is confined to specific retailers and locations participating in the program. The aim here is to make food more accessible to those on food assistance, especially during times when going out to shop can be challenging. Understanding the limitations and possibilities of using EBT on DoorDash is more than a matter of convenience. It's about accessibility and equity in food delivery services. As this program expands, it could potentially change how SNAP recipients shop for groceries. In conclusion, the answer to whether EBT works on DoorDash is complex. While traditional DoorDash services do not accept EBT for restaurant delivery, recent initiatives show promise in utilizing EBT for grocery delivery in certain areas. It's a developing story and one that reflects broader conversations about food accessibility and technology's role in supporting government assistance programs. Thank you for tuning in. As technologies and programs evolve, it's crucial to stay informed about how these changes impact our communities, especially in ensuring those on nutrition assistance programs have the same access to food as everyone else. Keep watching for more updates and insights into how the digital world intersects with everyday needs.